Bovbjerg Cliff is a spectacular geological highlight in Geopark Western Uland. The main stationary line, as far as the ice reached, indicates the maximum extent of glaciers during the last ice age. The Weissselien, the main stationary line, runs through the entire geopark from Bovbjerg in the west to Karup River in the east. The landscape gradually rises from Fering Lake towards the south, reaching 40 meters above sea level to Bovbjerg. From here, the terrain falls steadily towards Fjordring. Bovbjerg Lighthouse is situated at the top of the terminal moraine. About 1 kilometer south of the lighthouse, the clay-rich soil of the terminal moraine is replaced by sandy soil of the meltwater plain. The transition from clay to sand marks the main stationary line. The cliff at Bovbjerg presents a profile through the moraine that was formed by gigantic glaciers. In fact, you can see evidence of the last three ice ages, Elsterian, Salian, and Weissselien, in the cliff. If you look carefully, you can see how the ice worked with a bulldozer and pushed the originally flat-lying sediments up into dipping and folded layers. On the beach, you can find stones that may reveal where the different ice sheets came from. For example, Rom porphyry and Larvikite come from the Oslo and Larvik areas in Norway. The so-called Kinn diabase, with characteristic cauliflower-shaped patches, comes from Kinnkull in southwest Sweden. Bovbjerg Lighthouse is from 1877 and was one of the first lighthouses to be built along the west coast of Denmark. The light was intended to guide ship traffic at a time when there were many shipwrecks along the Danish coast. The lighthouse is colored red to avoid possible confusion with white church towers. The lighthouse was automated in 1965, and the last lighthouse keeper stopped working here in 2003. The lighthouse is still active, but only the uppermost part of the tower, with the light itself, is run by the Danish Maritime Authority. The rest of Bovbjerg Lighthouse is a cultural center and restaurant run by many volunteers.